Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm going to start with today's news. For the training wey Arsenal do yesterday, so Ben White no dey spotted, and you know say Arteta talk for media conference say dem go give Ben White a late fitness test and dem go come confirm whether he go train that yesterday ahead of today's match wey dem go play against Leeds. So we don check am, Baba no dey spotted for training, so we never really know whether he no go play, because that one na like a sign say this guy fit no dey involved for the match wey we get today. Well, I no wan make dem even play am because e no go make sense make he play a 70% player, whereas you have a Rob Holding wey be say e dey 100%, so you have to get from guys wey 100%. Make the 100% two of them don play now, then make this one rest get. Then if he to come back from North London derby, that would be the best. Instead of rushing him in, you can't aggravate the hamstring or muscular problem. You can't turn to a bigger something now wey we no go want. Make them just leave am like that. That would be the best. Then at the same time, our normal pundit wey they call Michael Owen wey love to hate Arsenal. No, the guy just get one kind love-hate relationship with Arsenal because the fans don't really like him. The guy that come out second, they predict the match between Arsenal and Leeds. So Owen come dey talk say for the match wey Arsenal play against West Ham, say Arsenal were not really convincing. That's just the truth. Now what he talk say they were not convincing. Everybody knows say we won ugly because we depended on the centre backs. So because say, but this match against Leeds, even though Leeds they struggle and they're fighting for their lives, so like 10 months ago nobody was expecting Leeds go dey relegation, or but now say Leeds now look at how they are suffering. Say but if they see Arsenal getting a slender 2-0 win, especially when the Spurs don't drop points, so now those kind of things they see. Well, I just know say normal, but people know they like to hear say and say we go win, when they believe so whatever I say that the opposite go happen. So people they always prefer say we go lose, then we can't go win. But my own thing that they always tell that this thing, I know they did triggered by Owen. Owen is just a one person. You get nobody Owen they predict. Paul Messi himself don't drop your own prediction. Paul Messi say for him, saying they see the match, say Arsenal will win. You get, because it is very much important for Arsenal, especially on our run of form. So don't knock some kind of big giants. People no expect to beat, knocking the Manchester United, the Chelsea, and the West Ham back to back. Who can't be Leeds? You get. She Leeds Sunday stronger than them. Say on paper, normal, we are better team. You get. So I don't want to see the magic come up, or just maybe they won't give us red card, or maybe we won't get penalties. Apart from that, man for man, so who get the more intention, the better ambition, the better players, and better everything. We are better. We are playing at home with our 12th man. So why will we win? So I beg, when I know the reason of this OM matter. For Messi himself don't predict you. You self predict your own. You be human being now. When I want woman being like you now. So you say predict your own. Forget say don't play, but predict your own. Yeah, I predict my own. I dey say a single 1-0 win, because this game I'm looking at it say it will be very tough, because when you are playing against teams wey be say they fight for their lives, they always dey difficult. Then at the center, we're going to look 3 ways where Arsenal fit get Champions League football, and one of the ways now, if Arsenal go fit win Leeds, come win Spurs, you get, they'll come get 7 points gap again for Spurs head, come get 2 games left, you get. And those 2 games left, then anything can happen, and once we don't get that one, we don't win. Then the second way we will fit take entire Champions League slots, we say confirm 100% that to win Leeds, then even if we draw against Spurs, they will come win any of the match between Newcastle or Everton. And that one will take us in. You know, so now 4 matches to go. That's how they analyze all these different angles, different permutations. So the third angle, if we take enter Champions League stuff now, if we win Leeds, let's say we can't lose against Spurs, we can't win our next 2 games. We don't enter with that. But everything they banked upon winning Leeds. This winning Leeds is very key. It's very important to get. It's more important than other matches we don't play again. This is the major cup final, so that we'll get a 4-point lead going into the North London derby. It will spawn us where it will make us stand gidigba. It will make us do very well. Yesterday Liverpool and Spurs don't draw 1-1. That's why they tell that say we don't be like 1 point ahead of Spurs now. You get. But Spurs don't play more games than us. So if we can't play this today, we can't win. If we win, there will be 4 points, 4 good points, 4 points. We'll get 4 points ahead of Spurs going into the North London derby. Wouldn't that be nice? Then at the same time, many things happened that yesterday. We don't go believe say Brighton knock Manchester United 4-0. Who would have thought of that? Who will believe that? Say Brighton for Amex Stadium knock them without any reply. Ronaldo was confused, as in Man U. That is the thing we are talking about. You can have a team of no names, individualistic players, name, just name. No team. Look at Arsenal. Tell me one big star name where you know there. Come on, call one big star, established star, like a household name, established. We don't get any Ronaldo caliber player there. We in the status of Ronaldo. Bruno Fernandes won't come. Look at the people they have there. For their countries, they are doing great. Everybody know them. But look at Pogba. Then they check all these names. You will see, look at Rashford. Once upon a time, Rashford was tipped to be one of the promising young stars. They will rule the future. Look at him. Benjamin members. Look at Sancho. When they collect for Borussia Dortmund, when they scatter everywhere. Look at Sancho. So they just be like say Ragnick don't know what thing they do. That's the thing. You need a gaffer we go fit put all the round pegs into the round holes, not putting round pegs in square holes and doing those things that you can't understand or comprehend. Good manager good though. Now if you look all these things, now use them as a template, you can't understand where we are coming from. And away from that, you no go believe say Chelsea self and Wolves play 2-2, but everybody was expecting Chelsea to win. That is why as Chelsea drop points, you know, Chelsea be the take 3 points, they gap us, you get. So as they can't drop points now, it come the as of now we will never play. It is 4 points gap us. But if we can't win against Leeds, we can't do 1 point behind Chelsea with 3 games to spare. And that match against North London Derby, that match is going to be a very big decider. As long as we don't lose that match, I don't think we'll be in trouble. If we drop, it's fine and good. If we win, that will be the most perfect option. If we win like this, then Champions League sure we don't hold 99%. Get if we win, no, we don't collect that because there's no way we go win this one. Come win Spurs, come on now. We'll win Spurs. That's why we're 7 points ahead of them with 2 games to spare. So what do they want to do now? They will just need to draw or win either. If we just win 2 of them, we don't enter Champions League. Like, no issue because 2 games to spare. Then they get 2 more games, 7 points. Just win 1 more game. What's it on? Wait till the World Cup do us. So that's what it is. Aaron Hickey said, don't come and say I call the reason the things way that they tell them say Arsenal the reason now. So you want to say in France, normal in France will tell them say how much see your name for transfer news. So say Arsenal won't buy you. Arsenal is very serious. So Manchester United say they deal. So they take the thing serious. They send them any news they see for a verifiable news media organization. They will go crop them or send them the link, making go through. So everything they street them. You let them know say what thing they do here. It makes sense for this kind of clubs. They linked to him. So it makes sense very well. I know say the guy is a blessing, a British guy. Now from Hearts, okay, now Scottish guy. Now from Hearts in play before Bologna come carry. And just we will go there, we carry TNA. And not forgetting that from Bologna, we also go carry Tomiyasu. So everything is going well for him. Well, we are happy. Our daily may be our monitoring spirit. Don't come aside and let us know. Say Ruben Neves now £70 million be the asking price of Wolves now. You get don't be all those £100 million prize, the £100 million that they call before. Now if they see £70 million, see they go collect them. Well, the 77 is still too much. But Ruben Neves, they go still bring them down. When enter talk, they go bring them down. On my monetary spirit, where they call Calcio Mercato self, don't come aside. They tell us say Arsenal would like to bring Raheem Sterling to the Emirates. Get, I know say Sterling get 14 months left on a contract, so Arsenal would like to bring the guy come here, come play with us. I know say would also reason Gabriel. So this Sterling matter say we don't tell, we don't talk about them. So everything I never know. And with all this, that back-to-back disappointments for Champions League. Some people say go don't tire, say me they go check another club whether they will feel collect them because I don't know whether the Guardiola course for that. Say after he come up for Barcelona, say no go ever collect them again. So I don't just understand. Because Champions League, Cup. A lot of them don't tire. Many people like that Champions League. It is a holy grail. So they would like to go elsewhere. So I never know. Well, we'll watch. Enter our match of the day, Arsenal versus Leeds. This match is very, very important. It's a very big encounter, and we'll just run check their head-to-head. If we check the head-to-head for this Arsenal versus Leeds, go see for the last 5 games for Emirates, Arsenal win 3, Leeds win 2. And we can hear many statistics say in the last 9 games, say Arsenal don't win plenty, but those are for Leeds home. But you see for this game today now, we are expecting low block from Leeds. And if they come with a low block, if it can't be hard for us to break through. But last, I know say with the 12th men waiting for the Emirates, we go break through. But I still expect Leeds. I don't expect them to come attack. But if they come attack, it will be very easy for us because Arsenal they find them easy from teams. So if you say they attack them, they attack us like end-to-end stuff. It will be very easy for us because there will be a lot of spaces to get. But if the teams come with a low block, like maybe a 5-3-2 or a 5-4-1, it will be very hard because the defense will be very tight. The attack. Look at what happened to Liverpool yesterday. Spurs came with a 3-4-3 formation where they convert to 5-3-2. You You get? So now so because that 3 wey dey there, that for that 3 last man, they just dey. Then the 4, the left and right people waiting for that 4, they will just fall back. Then one of the 2 waiting for front, no say na 3-4-3, one of the 3 we just come back by come be 5-3-2. That's when they are defending without the ball. But when they are with the ball, now quick transition you get. Now what they score Liverpool the first goal there. Spurs for win that game yesterday. I watch and well because they get many chances with them waste because Liverpool they did very desperate. They don't go forward, but it wasn't easy. But for we now for this match, let us not make the same mistake because don't forget we have a Rafinha versus a Tavares situation and we don't know who is going to win that situation. So let's see how it's going to be. I mean whether we will play Tomiyasu for that place, then play Sergio Suarez for right back. I never really know Mikel Arteta plan for this match because we don't want a situation because a lot of 1v1 situation will happen between that Tavares and that Rafinha, and that is where the battle may be won. And another battle, don't forget, I told you people earlier, Junior Firpo versus Saka. That is another key battle. Then Calvin Phillips versus Odegaard. That is another key battle. I don't think say get any other battle. Bamford no dey play. I talk say Bamford versus Magalhaes or Bamford versus Rob Holding. So Patrick Bamford no dey play. He get injured for a very long time. So they pray making comeback. That is why they struggle for relegation because normal Leeds no be relegation team. You get so that injury can affect them too bad. So what are your predictions today? I'm not talking say my own at 1-0. Let me know your predictions in the comment section. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You see the thumbnail. Click on so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and game out.